Inspiration ko basically is purpose, no? And being faithful with what God has given me.
Writing songs from experience and with purpose. Ito ang naging paraan ni Asel, isang kilalang OPM singer and songwriter sa paglikha ng musikang magbibigay ng inspirasyon, lalo na sa dumaraan sa isang transitional phase.
Alam mo yan, kung ano yung na-experience ko, sinusulat ko lang.
Sa kabila ng mga matinding adjustment sa kanyang karera, naging pagkakataon ito upang maisalin ni Asel ang kanyang mga naiisip at karanasan sa isang musika. Sa panayam ng Newslight, ibinahagi niya sa amin kung paanong nabuo ang kanyang album na pinamagatang Being and Becoming.
Right. Ma'am, can you tell us a very short story about Being and Becoming?
Being and Becoming, it's a collection of songs from mga iniisip ko o mga realizations and mga learnings, yung journey ko. Kaya siya Being and Becoming. It's like a journey, transition to change. A journey of peeling off the lies that I once knew about myself.
Tampok sa album na ito ang mga temang knowing your identity at kung paano tayo tignan ng Panginoon.
Ang theme ng album is about identity, knowing your value, knowing your worth, of who you are, and how God sees you.
Ibinahagi rin sa amin ni Asel kung paano niyang natutunang hanapin ang tunay na halaga.
The best way to anchor your identity or where to anchor your identity is from the one who created you. That you are fearfully and wonderfully made. What the Bible tells who you are, and you are in Christ, you are a child of God. So that means you are valuable.
Kasama sa album ang awiting Great Reward na nakatakda namang ilabas ang music video nito ngayong November.
Great Reward is a song that I wrote during the time that I was not actually really well in my mind. Yan yung time when I left my band. I got married, no? And then wala, as in, totally wala ako sa music scene. So I stopped performing. I stopped singing. So after a year, parang I got depressed. So I would cry at the time na I was depressed, and I would spend time with the Lord. And I remember yung when He was talking to Abraham, God said na, I am your great reward.
Ayon kay Asel, iisa lamang ang itinuturing niyang great reward.
The greatest reward in my life is having a relationship with God, and I think that is something that will be forever and eternal and constant. Hindi niya ako iiwan.
Maaring mapakinggan ang Being and Becoming album sa iba't ibang music platforms at suportahan ang kanyang musika.
Follow me on Instagram, Asel Bisa Van Omen. I have a YouTube channel, Asel Music.
Lahat tayo ay dumaraan sa iba't ibang season ng buhay. Ang mga awit ni Asel ay patunay na ang karanasan ay maaaring lumikha ng magandang musika na magpapaalala ng ating halaga at kung sino tayo sa paningin ng Panginoon. Benedict Quijado, Newslight.